Hey guys, this is Devin Binion here with Top Rated Gutters of South Bend. Today I'm going to go over a little bit about leaf protection. You might know it as leaf guard, gutter helmet, things like that. But that stuff is really good for keeping sticks out, dirt, debris, leaves, stems, things from birds and squirrels. They could really cause some damage on your gutters. A lot of people don't think so, but as you can see, this is 100% why you need leaf guard. It'll also stop mosquitoes from nesting and breeding inside your gutters, and nobody likes mosquitoes. It's already annoying enough having to smack them because it starts itching and hurting. But also mosquitoes carry tons of diseases such as the triple E virus. So it's really important to get some leaf guard put on your gutters so we don't have the problems with diseases and bugs. And then we also don't have the problems with clogged gutters, which can then again lead to some roofing damage and fascia damage. So if you need any of this done, give Top Rated Gutters a call. I'll be glad to stop out, go over some options with you and get you taken care of.